What's up, you guys? What's up? How you doing today? It's SkinnyBoyRandy here. What's up? How you doing? What's going on, you guys? Hope you're having a great, growing, blessed, and prosperous day. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Thank you. You're the best. What are you doing? It's early Saturday morning. It's cold out here, you guys. You've watched my whole outfits change throughout the season, and now I'm out here in the hat, sweatshirt, coat, jeans. Yes, you guys, it's really, really cold this morning. We're about to get our first frost in a few days, and it's going to be frosty for a few days after that. So it's time to get our garden ready for winter. Okay, I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, where beginners and experts are always welcome. I love having you guys here. Thank you so much. Also, click that like and subscribe button if you haven't already. I hope you're a subscriber. Click that like and subscribe button. Yeah, leave a thumbs up, a thumbs down, just not the two middle fingers, okay? Okay, it's cold, you guys. My brain can't even function. It ain't even moving fast enough. Also, click the bell and get a notification every time I make a video, which is every time the weather changes, which is every 5 minutes. Okay, that was just for you, Pistacion. Anyway, you guys, if you have not been over to my Facebook group, head on over. Gardening with SkinnyBoyRandy, beginners and experts are welcome. That's the name of the group over there. They will be able to answer any question that I can't answer. Somebody's going through what you're going through, okay? Remember, if nobody told you they love you today, I do. SkinnyBoyRandy loves you. Each and every one of you. I love you. Thank you so much for being here, okay? Let's just dive right into this video because it's cold. I got to get back in the house. All right. It's getting cold. It's winter coming. So we want to get our garden beds ready for winter. If you have an outside garden bed, and you want to know, I've been getting a lot of questions. What do we do? How do we protect the garden? How do we protect the garden? Now, all of my garden things that I have out here are frost tolerant. So like a lot of my leafy greens over there, they love a good kiss from the frost, as Miss Cheryl said. A good kiss from the frost. So some of these items I don't even have to worry about. So I'm just going to clean out this one bed just for you guys. It's pretty much done for the season. And then I'm going to show you about the hoop houses and all these other type of houses that, you know, some people use, some people don't. I've never used them. But I'm just going to show you how to make a cheap and easy one, you know, with what you have around the house. Okay, let's just dive right into the video. So as it gets cold, you know, everything that's gonna grow has grown and produced and given us food, and now we just want to go ahead and prepare our soil for the upcoming growing season, which is our springtime. And you know, you guys, it doesn't take long to roll around. So what I'm gonna do is just start cleaning this bed out. We don't have no time to waste. Just get my little lane separators out of here. And it's not that hard, you guys. Now, a lot of people would take their old their old vegetables and things and put them in their compost, which you can do that. But since they're going to decompose and compost anyway, I'm going to leave them in here and let them decompose and fertilize the soil over the winter. Okay? So try to pull up as many of the weeds as you can. Get all the weeds out that you can. I should have had on some gloves, you guys. And then I'm just going to go in here and chop up my soil a little bit. Now, my tree has fully shed all of its leaves, so I don't have to worry about any more leaves falling in here. So I'm just going around and, you know, kind of turning the soil over, pretty much. Just turning over the soil. And these leaves act like a natural mulch. So I just want to turn over my soil a little bit. Leave all these leaves and those old vegetables in there, just like that. Now, if you don't have thick black plastic, you may have garbage bags. Whatever you have, you take and you make it work. I just happen to have some thick black plastic. And I'm simply just going to take it and cover my garden bed, just like this. Black plastic. And what that's gonna do is keep the ground nice and moist all winter. It's gonna help the worms generate. So when the spring comes, this ground is gonna be so nice and moist. And you can do this when you're starting a new garden, you guys. If you're thinking about starting a new garden for next year, go ahead and put you some black plastic down in the area that you want your garden. And normally it'll kill all the weeds. And next year you'll have a perfect space to just start digging. Okay, so let me get my little scissors. And it doesn't have to be pretty, you guys. We don't do pretty gardening, we do productive gardening. Okay, okay. Then I'm just gonna go across and cut this. Oh. Okay. It's a crease. A little crease right here. All right, let's see. There we go. I think I grabbed the wrong scissors, you guys. Here we go. This is really thick. Well, you get the idea. I have to go grab the other scissors, but I don't want to hold you long. And then all I do is take a brick and lay it down flat like that. Take another brick. And this way the wind doesn't blow it away. And lay it down flat. And pretty much that's all you're gonna do to get your garden ready for next growing season. And then I'll put some more bricks in the middle to keep it flat. Just like that, you guys. And that's all you do to prepare your soil for next year. Now I want to talk about hoop houses and protecting certain plants that you don't want to get frostbitten. So over here, let me get you over here. Okay. Now this plant here is one of our pepper plants. This is not one that we're trying to protect from the winter frost because we're going to shave it down and preserve it. But if this was one of your plants that you're trying to save and you don't want destroyed during winter, simply get you a garden trash bag, clear, just like that, clear garbage bag. And you would simply cover your plant, just like that, and tie it at its base, like that. And you put your string around there, can you see? And this plant would be protected, or if you have a fruit tree or a bush, small type bush that you want to do that with, you can do that as well. Now also, some people don't realize you can make your own hoop houses out of these plastic containers, big, small, whatever size you have. Say for instance, this was a plant that we were trying to protect right here. This little thing here. You would just lay this over top of it, just like that. Put your brick on it so it doesn't blow away if you have high winds. You have a hoop house. The sun will warm this up. That plant is protected. That's another easy way. Also, some people are like, what about if I have a longer space to cover? I would just get 2 buckets. Get 2 buckets like this. Let me get you over here, y'all. All I did was take 2 buckets, my garbage bag, split it down the middle, now if you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and buy you a roll of clear plastic, same thing. Gently lay it over top of both buckets. secure it with the bricks on both sides. And we just made our own hoop house. Okay? That's all it is, y'all. Nothing fancy. I would put a brick right there. You know, lay something across it like that. And look, that's all a hoop house is. Okay, you guys, so I just wanted to do this quick video for you earlier this morning. It's really cold. Hopefully I kept it short and sweet. I love you guys. Remember, live, love, laugh, you guys. Grow stuff and eat it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. If you want to see any more videos, let me know. It's getting cold. My nose is running. I love you guys. You're the best. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Share the video. Leave a comment. Go on over to Facebook. I love you guys. You're the best.